Hi guys, looking for the best air fryer to buy? After years of extensive research and hands-on testing dozens of these small appliances, we can confidently say that the Ninja Speedy Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer is the best air fryer we've tested. Its results are closest to using a deep fryer, making crispy, juicy foods, without the extra calories or trans fats. Plus, like many air fryers, it includes dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup. So, let's get started. Number 10. Ninja OL701 Footy 14-in-1 Smart XL 8QT. If you like, you can even combine the functions, pressure cooking a chicken and then air frying it to brown and crisp the skin, and now all under one lid with this redesigned model. Additional programs let you broil, dehydrate, steam, slow cook, and saute, making the Footy the most versatile multi-cooker on the market. Model name Ninja OL701. Like the Ninja Speedy, the Footy is space-saving compared to owning both an air fryer and a multi-cooker. But it's still a large, heavy appliance that's not easy to store. The basket and the pot are non-stick and dishwasher safe, but the lid requires TLC. The next is Number 9. Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL 5.5 QT. The Ninja Air Fryer XL is a larger version of the Ninja Air Fryer. It has a 5.5 quart basket, as well as an extra air roast setting, but beyond that, it's virtually identical to the smaller model. Model name Ninja Air Fryer. We weren't impressed with the capacity of this air fryer. The round basket is taller but not that much wider than the original versions, which isn't really helpful when you're cooking foods that need to be in a single layer. When we cooked waffles in it, only 2 fit in the bottom, and the second one didn't lay flat. The next is Number 8. Dash Deluxe Electric Air Fryer Plus Oven. The Dash Deluxe 6-quart air fryer delivers food that's brown and crispy, as you don't overload it. Although it's a 6-quart model, the basket's small diameter holds less food in one layer than the larger models tested. Wattage 1700 watts. While the Dash doesn't include digital controls, it's still very simple to operate. Simply turn the temperature and time dials in an intuitive, 2-step process. If you're tired of boring-looking appliances, the Dash comes in glossy red, yellow, and aqua, as well as white and black. The next is Number 7. Ninja AF101 Air Fryer that crisps, roasts. French fries were good but not perfect. They didn't quite have the crunch that you get from a deep fryer or the Philips, which can even crisp up a whole bag of frozen fries at once. However, the Ninja is about a quarter of the price of the Philips and is nowhere near as big or heavy. Model name Ninja Air Fryer. On the Ninja, you'll find digital temperature controls and settings for reheating, roasting, and dehydrating. More options make for more complicated controls, but it's not difficult to master the necessary steps. The non-stick basket can be washed in the dishwasher, too. It also includes a stainless steel rack for multi-level cooking. The next is Number 6. Air Fryer by Cuisinart, Compact, Stainless. Unlike most of these appliances, the Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer isn't shaped like a huge egg or space capsule. Rather, it's a big stainless steel cube that looks like a truncated toaster oven. While its boxy shape fits more neatly on a countertop, it still takes up a bit of countertop real estate. Brand Cuisinart. The Cuisinart is relatively uncomplicated. It doesn't have preset programs for specific foods or additional functions like keep warm or dehydrate. You simply turn dials to set the temperature and the cooking time, with no need to preheat. The straightforward manual includes recipes to get you started. The next is Number 5. Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL with Fat. The Philips Air Fryer XXL was one of the most user-friendly appliances we tested. During testing, I tasted a ton of French fries, and this appliance made ones that I couldn't stop noshing on. They had the perfect combination of crispy crunchiness, tenderness, and potato flavor, even when I loaded the basket with more than 3 pounds of them. Brand Philips Kitchen Appliances. This appliance was consistently fantastic at air frying, even with large family-size portions of healthier fried foods. Plus, it's a well-built machine and easy to use, no preheating is required. If you really love fried food without all the fat, the Philips is definitely worth the investment. The next is number 4. Instant Pot 6-quart air fryer oven from. But this appliance isn't just visually appealing, it also crisps food quickly and evenly. Everything from fried chicken to frozen fries to Brussels sprouts came out with impressively tasty results during testing. Brand Instant Pot. This sleek air fryer features a unique clear cook window that allows you to visually monitor your food as it cooks, a plus that we absolutely loved during testing. We also love how easy it is to use. The touchscreen is beautiful and intuitive, and we love that the dial made navigating time and temperature quick and seamless. We didn't even have to read the manual to learn how to navigate between cooking mode, time, and temperature settings. The next is number 3. 5QT Digital Air Fryer with Viewing Window. Its 5-quart basket is more spacious than many other models, allowing you to fit more food in a single layer. We were able to fit 3 Eggo waffles in the bottom of the square basket, and they didn't overlap at all. This is ideal if you frequently cook large batches of French fries or chicken wings, as they cook best when air can circulate around them. Brand Generic. This air fryer also has a glass viewing window, as well as an inner light, allowing you to monitor your food without opening the basket. It's extremely quiet during operation, and we found that it's easier to clean than many other air fryers. Its non-stick interior comes clean with just a quick wipe or two, even when there's sticky or greasy residue on it. The next is number 2. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven, Digital. Endless functions. This premium 1800-watt toaster oven and air fryer is equipped with premium functions including air fry, bake, broil, toast, bagel, pizza, roast, dehydrate, proof, low, dual cook, reheat and warm with a wide temperature range, warm 450 F. Brand Cuisinart. Capacity, large enough to air fry up to 3 pounds, toast 6 bagel halves, roast a 4-pound chicken, or bake a 12-inch pizza. 0.6 cubic feet interior with large viewing window and interior light superior operation, equipped with a low temperature setting to slow cook, braise and more. Plus, dedicated functions for dehydrating and proofing. Fan and heater deliver high velocity, high heat airflow for perfectly fried results with minimal noise. The next is number 1. Ninja SF301 Speedy Rapid Cooker and Air, One Touch, One Pot Meals in 15 minutes. Choose your base, your vegetables, and your protein to create an entire meal in one pot in as little as 15 minutes with the Speedy Meals function. Brand Ninja. Create a meal for up to 4, with 6 QT capacity, fit up to 4 chicken breasts and 1 pound of pasta to create a whole family meal in one pot. 12-in-1 functionality, choose from Speedy Meals, Steam and Crisp, Steam and Bake, Steam, or Proof and Rapid Cooker mode and unlock Air Fry, Bake Roast, Air Broil, Dehydrate, Sear and Saute, Slow Cook, and Sous Vide functions in Air Fry mode. So this is the best option for you to buy.